Are you thinking freelancing is for tech pro or a professional graphic design? No, you get it wrong. You get it wrong. There is a lot of ways for you to make money when it comes to freelancing, okay, which you as an amateur too can start. Okay, you can start today. All what you need to do is to learn the skill, learn the simple skills, the high demand skills that is going on right now, and you will start making money from it. I learned my first freelance client with no portfolio, no experience, and no anything in this online space. Okay, I just go to all this platform, sign up on it, and I get a client, and I work with the client with the help of AI, which I will show you guys in this video. Just stay and watch these videos to the end, and don't miss any part of this video. Right, I'm not a designer, I'm not a writer, but I still struggle to stay away from being broke in this online space, which is why you need to start freelancing. Because I have some people that are making $1,000 per month from this freelancing business without having an advanced skills or what they are doing, just simple tasks that they are doing for clients, and they are making a lot of money. And you too can do the same today and start making money if I list all these skills that require little things, okay, that you can do within 10 minutes or 5 minutes and get your money, okay, get your job done in this online space when you come to freelancing, which I'll show you guys and tell you how you can do the same. So I'll show you how I started freelancing from scratch in this video, right? These are the skills that you can learn that doesn't take your time at all. Like, we have transcriptions, we have simple social media, okay, management, right? We have basic virtual assistance, and we have background remover, and we have email generator, like email marketing, which cannot take your time at all. But that one requires a laptop, right? It requires a laptop to get started with. How do you get started? What you need to do is to go to Upwork or go to Fiverr. Then you will see a lot of jobs there that people are offering to clients. Okay, you see a lot of offers that people are offering to clients, and you will see some clients that need a job on those particular platform every second. That means that if you are good at what you are doing, there's a lot of money for you to make in this online space. What do you need to do? Okay, everything is not by professional. What you need to do right now is that go to ChatGPT, give ChatGPT the prompt that you want to start freelancing on these particular things. Okay, you want to go for background remover, tell ChatGPT everything like you are talking to a normal human being, and it will reply you with normal words. Okay, right? So once you talk to ChatGPT, let him know about what you are doing. Let him give you your bio, your description, and all other stuff that you'll be need to upgrade your profile on Upwork or Fiverr. Right, so once you have done that, then go to the Canva, create a fake simple sample, okay, like a demo, so that you can show to clients like this is what you're doing. So show it to clients like this is what you are doing. Like, so when clients see that okay, this is what this person is doing, this is the job that you have done, they will give you the work and you get your money. And for a beginner, when you get started, let your money be $5 per hour, okay, $5 per hour or $10 per hour, $5 to $10 as a minimum as a beginner when you get started. So once you keep improving your skills, right, so you can increase the money to start making a lot of money in this online space too. Because I say clients are on Fiverr and Upwork that they are posting job doesn't mean that you will get a job on Fiverr and Upwork. No, you need to promote this your offer. Go to the Facebook, join a group on based on what you are doing. Go to Instagram, go to TikTok, check on profile of some people, then reach out to them, let them know what you are doing so that you can get the job done and get the job for them and done the job and get your own money. Okay, right? So right now, let me give you simple steps on what you need to do. Right? Tips for you to get a client. Okay, always deliver early. Okay, deliver your job early. When they give you job, do it on time. Right? So use free AI tools like Canva, Grammarly, and ChatGPT to do your work so that it will get faster than what you are thinking, right? So ask for a testimonial when you done a job for a client to give you a good review so that whenever people come to your profile, they see the review and give you the job so that you get the job done. for them, right? So don't let no skills stop you from starting. Freelancing is a business that you can start. Okay, you can start. All what you need to do as you start, keep learning on the skills or based on the offer you want to offer it to your client. Freelancing is about solving problem online. Okay, solve people problems. There's some people that have issue with background remover. What you need to do is to solve their problem by doing it for them and give them quality work. If you want me to list freelancing platform that you can join and get started based on what you want to do, okay, go to the comment section and type freelancing platform in the comment sections. Then I will reach out to you and give you the PDF on a full freelancing platform that you can get started with and what you want to do, the niche that you are into, so that I can join a particular platform for you to start getting a job immediately, right? So if you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share these videos so that let them enjoy the benefits of these videos.